Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloomberg Terminal. This powerful platform provides real-time financial data, news, and analytics to help you make informed decisions. We'll cover its core functionalities, from navigating the interface to accessing crucial market information. Understanding these basics will unlock a world of financial insights, enabling you to monitor global markets and conduct in-depth research efficiently. Let's dive into how to master this essential tool for finance professionals. Navigating the Bloomberg Terminal efficiently starts with understanding its command line. Simply type a function code or ticker symbol and press Enter. The colored function keys, like F2 for equity or F3 for government bonds, are your shortcuts to different asset classes. You can quickly pull up company information or market data by entering a ticker followed by a relevant function. Mastering these basic commands will significantly speed up your workflow. The Bloomberg Terminal offers a wealth of core functions. You can monitor real-time market data for equities, fixed income, and commodities, ensuring you always have the latest prices. Generate detailed charts and graphs to visualize trends and performance. Access comprehensive company financials, economic indicators, and analyst reports for in-depth research. Plus, its secure messaging system allows you to communicate with other professionals globally, fostering collaboration. To truly maximize your Bloomberg Terminal experience, explore its advanced features. Create custom screens and watch lists to monitor specific assets or portfolios tailored to your needs. Set up alerts for significant price movements, news events, or economic releases, ensuring you never miss critical information. Dive into advanced analytics tools for deeper insights into market behavior and risk. Personalizing your workspace with preferred layouts and functions will optimize your daily workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.